Ever walked into a small auto parts shop, the kind with shelves packed high with everything from spark plugs to fan belts, and wondered how they get all that stuff? Or maybe you've seen a local hardware store, brimming with nuts, bolts, and power tools, and thought about the journey those items took to end up there? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of the jobber store, a crucial link in the supply chain that you might not even realize exists. Think about it. Big manufacturers don't typically sell directly to every small business or repair shop. It would be logistically overwhelming. That's where the jobber store steps in. They act as a vital intermediary, a sort of wholesale hub that caters to a specific industry or trade. To really understand what a jobber store is, let's paint a picture. Imagine a bustling warehouse, not quite as massive as an Amazon fulfillment center, but definitely larger than your average retail space. Inside, you'll find rows upon rows of products, neatly organized and ready to be shipped out. Now, instead of individual consumers browsing these aisles, you'll see shop owners, mechanics, plumbers, electricians, and other trade professionals stocking up on the supplies they need to keep their businesses running. So, what exactly differentiates a jobber store from a regular retail store or a large-scale distributor? The key lies in their target customer and the volume of goods they typically handle. Retail stores sell smaller quantities to the general public. Large distributors often deal in massive bulk shipments, usually directly to very large retailers or other distributors. Jobber stores, on the other hand, occupy a sweet spot in between. They buy in bulk from manufacturers or larger distributors and then sell in smaller, more manageable quantities to businesses within a specific trade. Let's take the auto parts industry as a prime example. A manufacturer of brake pads isn't going to ship a few sets of pads directly to every local mechanic shop. Instead, they'll sell a large shipment to an auto parts jobber store. This jobber store will then stock a wide variety of brake pads, along with other auto parts like oil filters, batteries, and tires, from various manufacturers. Local mechanics can then visit the jobber store or place orders for the specific parts they need for their repairs, often receiving them quickly and efficiently. This model offers several advantages. For small businesses, jobber stores provide convenient access to a wide range of products without the need to place large, direct orders with multiple manufacturers. This saves them time, reduces their inventory holding costs, and simplifies their procurement process. Imagine a small plumbing company needing various pipes, fittings, and valves for a job. Instead of dealing with numerous suppliers, they can likely find everything they need at a local plumbing jobber store. For manufacturers, jobber stores extend their reach into the market. They can focus on production and large-scale distribution, knowing that jobber stores will handle the crucial last-mile delivery to smaller businesses. This creates a more efficient and streamlined supply chain. Now, it's important to understand that the term jobber store isn't universally applied and can vary slightly depending on the industry and region. You might hear similar terms like wholesale supplier, trade supplier, or distributor. And while there can be some overlap, the core concept remains the same. A business that caters specifically to other businesses within a particular sector. Think beyond auto parts. Consider the electrical industry. An electrical jobber store will stock everything from wiring and conduits to lighting fixtures and circuit breakers, serving electricians and contractors. Or imagine a welding supply jobber, offering welding machines, rods, gases, and safety equipment to welding shops and fabricators. The principle is consistent across various trades. The rise of e-commerce and large online retailers has undoubtedly impacted the traditional jobber store model. However, jobber stores still hold significant advantages. One key advantage is the personal service and expertise they often provide. The staff at a jobber store typically have in-depth knowledge of the products they sell and can offer valuable advice and support to their trade customers. This level of specialized knowledge is often difficult to replicate with a general online retailer. Furthermore, jobber stores often offer faster and more reliable local delivery, which is crucial for businesses that need parts or supplies urgently to complete a job. Imagine a plumber facing an emergency repair. They can often quickly source the necessary parts from a local plumbing jobber, minimizing downtime for their customer. Another important aspect of jobber stores is the credit terms they often extend to their regular customers. This can be a significant benefit for small businesses that rely on consistent access to supplies but may have fluctuating cash flow. Building a relationship with a jobber store can provide a reliable source of credit and support business growth. The relationship between a jobber store and its customers is often built on trust and mutual understanding of the industry. Jobber stores become partners with the businesses they serve, understanding their specific needs and challenges. They might offer specialized services, such as custom hose assembly for mechanics or pipe threading for plumbers, further solidifying their value proposition. So, to recap, a jobber store is essentially a wholesale supplier that specializes in serving businesses within a specific trade. They bridge the gap between manufacturers and end-user businesses, providing convenient access to a wide range of products in manageable quantities, often coupled with specialized knowledge, local delivery, and credit terms. They are the unsung heroes of many industries, ensuring that the tools, parts, and supplies needed to keep our cars running, our buildings functioning, and our infrastructure maintained are readily available. They are more than just a warehouse. They are a vital part of the economic ecosystem, supporting countless small businesses and contributing to the smooth operation of essential services. The next time you see a local repair shop or a specialized trade business, remember that behind the scenes, a jobber store is likely playing a crucial role in keeping their shelves stocked and their operations running smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.